Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find help center on your account on Reddit, easy and quick. First, click on your profile. Now click settings, and here you will find help center as you see. Click on it, and that's it. That's how to find help center on your account on Reddit, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.